Then we'll crochet the dorsal fin. We're going to start by chaining 4. This doesn't count as a stitch. Then we crochet for chain stitches. After completing, insert your hook into the left loop of the second chain from the hook. We hooked a single crochet first. Work 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. A fin is completed. Then we crochet for chain stitches. Work 1 single crochet into the left loop of the second chain from the hook. Work 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. Then for chain stitches. Hook a single crochet. For chain stitches, everyone's tension is a bit different, so the body size might vary. Go ahead and pin your back fins onto the body first to see where it looks best. Determine the number of back fins to crochet based on the size of your project. It doesn't have to be exactly 6. You might find that 5 or 7 works better for your size. We left the long thread and cut the thread. And our dorsal fin is done.